so close by. Can he get the kill? That's the big question. Yes, he's good for one, but where's the follow-up? Can they clear this out cleanly? Zxksk's still alive, gonna pop off the heal as quick as he can. And look at the Molotovs burning in the background. They're trying to dominate this space. The support is there, and they need to make the push. Zxksk goes in. He gets the tag. He's got to be careful. His teammates are falling around him. He has to get the pickup, and it looks like they've done just enough to take that compound.
Zxksk and Luxy back to back. They do confirm this, and they take the compound for themselves. Susie, you can see damage, but not out in the background. The team will try and get themselves back on the feet, but this is what it's going to be like for the remainder of this game. Teams sharing space. There's very little to move on this one without being spotted out on Bikendi. As soon as you leave the safety of your compound, every single team has an eye line. That grenade.
Oh no, Soul, they're in so much danger here. You already have XQF knocking the door. They lost out on Cat early, and there's a third party as well. Everyone's eyes are across this expert marksman coming in, and sadly it's sort of like Mortal's down, Rrq's down. They're losing out on so many of these players, and that's going to be devastating for them.
AY just trying to see if anyone's hiding behind these.
G making their way around. We want to see how they're going to play it. They played it right towards SSG. The aggression's going to come out. Angry, Juicy, Carnage, all standing by, waiting for this one. Peeking out the right time. Pmco wants to get on the action.
Bearzai gets the initial opener onto Angry. They'll continue the flood round. Brown the back onto Broncho. Juicy's there though. Stops the hold for now. Knocks him back on his backside. Leader also Carnage. This is Carnage, exactly that. They're all dropping like flies around. They're making advancement on this, and it's all going wrong.
They're trying to make a quick heal for SSG here. Look
at them crawling.
3 players knocked down. Where is that remainder? Luxy's way off in all of this. No one else nearby. It looks like it's going to be cleanup time as another team might try and steal these points. Carnage out there collecting what he can, and there's the final player from ELG way off. They're leaving. They can't save him now. Surely it's done for.
SSG need to confirm those kills. If 69 sees the walking wounded, that's an easy confirmation for them, and 2 points in the bag. It looks like they've been done.
Uh-oh, another challenger. Carnage, you ready for this? He does have Juicy beside him, so still has a teammate next to him, and I think he's got the spot. That's good information. He needs to get the fight, though. Here's the cross. Oh, no, tags from a third party. Carnage has to go back in, depending on Juicy to help him out. And he swings out, and he gets it done. Big work from Carnage. Holding on, but that blue is ticking, and it's hurting like hell.
Through the smoke, down he goes. Lashing will answer back though. Juicy falls and is confirmed, so they at least can keep carrying on. SSG, valiant effort, but unfortunately they will be eliminated. The rest of the players here for 69 just surviving on the edge of the...
Did he see them? Has he noticed what's up? I think he's got an idea because he's got teammates beside them, but a bit of a compound crash. We'll come back to that in a second. The push is coming in, they're clearing out, but they've actually been tagged up so badly. Zooms needs to be so careful. That could be a one-shot. He's going for it still. What a play from him. Brave and bold, taking down the enemy.
Teammate does fall for the backup, jumps in, 1 HP in a mere dream. He's actually swinging with his fists, but unfortunately can't make it work. Instantly dropped TC with the follow-up smokes. Look at all the players knocking on the door. He has to be ready to receive them.
This is a big cross. Oh, what a turn there from Rrq Athena. This is a big team that you want to be looking at, and be able to take a player out the window like that is pretty impressive, but it's not over yet. White Cat is trying to cover up his teammates, trying to keep them alive, buy some time, and Nova have finally fallen. Nova in trouble. They had so many kills as well.
Finally he's put to rest. He's done so much damage. White Cat could be a spot. Remember, he was playing distant away from the rest of his teammates, and he's still doing this. He can overwatch all of this and feed the information back to the rest of the roster where they are. Are they damaged? Are they done? Grenades. Ernie gets a bit of a tickle and he's warned, stay away from me, but that follow-up nade could be real, and it is! Ernie's down! I don't think they'll make a push on this because they will expose themselves too much. It's Rrq that have to do all the work to make the advancement and push them out of that compound.
Yeah, but these teams are aggressive. They love to get in there when they feel the timing is right. And that Molotov, again, this could all be so deadly to slow down the push. And it slowed them down for a second. Buying time, buying a couple more seconds. Rrq Athena wants to get the revive when they've got it. They need to get themselves back to full strength to be able to take this fight.
Pause for just a second. The advancement is real. Rrq are in the building. They're at the door. They're on the doorstep, so TS hasn't done enough damage to hold them back. They're at a man disadvantage as well because of the disconnect in the distance, the grenades. All this is going down, but the pull-ups here. Nova got to do some damage. They jump out the vehicles and they are welcomed with the mini.
Nova looked so good, but this is such a scary situation to come into. Pretty blind, and Justice coming around, and the jump-in shot doesn't need to depend on it too heavily, but it looks like Nova have been quelled and dealt with. We see the engagement in the distance kicking off. That's Rrq Athena getting into things. They finally got down a knock. That's a big pickup. That could allow them time now push.
The micro Uzi, he might be a little minigun, but it gets the job done. A little bit of a tap there from Ernie, which will give the audible warning. The flood is real.
You better be ready for what's coming your way. Look at this team. He sprays in. Oh no, he doesn't get it. What a mistake. And oh no, that's a big loss for Rrq there. If they do manage to get through this cleanly, they're great. But Fireboy could have done so much damage. There's still one player up here though. There's still one man alive for this team upstairs. In the smoke, shrouded. The revive comes in for Rrq Athena. They stay alive. 4 players will be standing soon. And we're down to the final 3 teams.
This shouldn't be a 4 versus 1. With the numbers that you have and the advantage, you should be able to go for the refrag and insta him. Last player surviving here. You can hear the stairwell push. They're upstairs. They're at the door. They're at the wall. There is damage. Oh, what? What? Got 2! What is he doing? 3! Is this real? Could this be the 4 versus 1?
The push comes in.
Oh my God!
He's only gone and done it. What a play!
That should not have happened! What did he just do? You can't do that on a main stage like this. At a grand finals. This isn't a public match. What?
That was incredible.
And the rest of them, well, they're just traded meds, you know. You might as well celebrate with style.
Yeah, they're not in too much danger. They're pretty okay.
There we go. Job done.
GG.